Next, we're going to learn how to do a football. Have a medium brush. Load it up with brown. When you're doing the football, keep in mind that if the child is dark skinned, do a lighter brown. If the child is light skinned, do a darker brown. Draw your almond shape. Fill it in. Take another medium brush, load it up with white. And on either side, you're going to do a thick curved line. And they go opposite directions, just like that. Reload your white because you probably have a little brown mixed into it now. And pick a side and do 1, 2, 3 stitches. Take your detail brush, load it up with black, and do your outline. And there you have it, little football.